Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to take a full page screenshot on your iPhone 17. So firstly, do a screenshot. To do so, click the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now tap on your screenshot and here tap full page. Tap the stick icon over here, save the photos, and now we can close that and go to photos and see that our full page screenshot is here. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.